What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Today we have the April BOXYCHARM, and if you can't tell by my very colorful eyes, there's some bright stuff in here. A few things that I liked, a few things that I kind of liked, and some things that were heck no. BOXYCHARM is a $25 a month subscription service for the base box. They do have premium boxes as well, but I stick with my base box for now. This box is making me rethink if I want to continue with BOXYCHARM, to be completely honest. There were two things that I'm definitely taking from this box and gonna keep using, and there are two things that I might, and one thing that I am like, what were they thinking though? Who? Why? Before we get into the box, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Let's get into it. All right, let's get into this box. I'm super excited. So April, it's a little bit, I've already peeked because I wanted to know what I needed to do beforehand. It's not the best box, it's not the worst. I'm not super pumped about it, but there might be there's definitely two things in here that I think I will keep using after. 2 of the 5, you know, So this month's theme is BOXYCHARM Sweet Treats. So sweet treats, I'm guessing like, you know, Easter, springy, yay. All right, so the first thing in the box that I can't use here is the Terra de Mars, I'm not sure, Reddition Body Cleanser, which I did use in the shower yesterday. I did not use it today because it was in the box. But it's 5 ounces and it definitely has like a very, like a citrus, what are the notes? Citrusy, it's got coffee in it, aloe, verbena. The card says rosemary extracts, definitely smell that. Tone, purify, and protect the skin, while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. So body wash, we don't normally get body wash, I don't think. We get like usually hair masks or you know, an oil or something of that nature, but a body wash is definitely new. So I'm definitely gonna keep this in the shower. I like the way it smells. I didn't notice, like, you know, I don't know if you're supposed to notice a huge difference with body washes, but it was fine yesterday. So I'm gonna put it back in the shower, keep using it. That retails for $22. Second thing in the box is the Earth Harbor Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampoule. Sea greens and cannabis sativa hemp. It's an oil, plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, sustainable, fair trade, no gluten, no soy, small batch made, woman-owned, soothing ethereal glow. Cool. So I've already moisturized and stuff, but I guess I'll go ahead and use this. I love this like simplicity of this little dropper bottle here. Super clean, I like it. All right, so this looks pretty oil, like really like watery almost. So I'm just gonna do a couple drops. And this retails for $32. I normally do oils like at night just because I have oilier skin, so I don't typically like, which I think might be a misconception. Like, you can still use oils if you have oily skin. You just gotta use the right ones or use it at the right time of day or something like that. So I like the way it smells. It smells very green, very hempy. So give a little nice little glow under here. It's a dreary, it's not rainy, it's just cloudy day. All right, so $32 for that guy, Earth Harbor Aurora. I like it. So those are the 2 that I will probably keep using. All right, so the next thing is the Dragon Beauty Color Corrector, Dragon Fire Color Corrector in lavender. So that's fun. I'm just gonna pat this in under my eyes because I think it's supposed to be used on like yellow. That's probably completely wrong. Do a little on the eyelids. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't use color, I mean, I haven't used a color corrector in a minute. I think I used like a peachy pink one from Urban Decay when the color correctors were like a thing. But I haven't used a color corrector in a minute. So I don't even know which, like, what purple cancels out. I think it's like sallowness, like hollow looking. This maybe. Brightened for sure. All right, that retails for $25. Oh, shake well. Whoops, didn't do that. Correct and neutralize blend, follow with foundation concealer. Pretty packaging. It's like kind of got like the scales looking, scales on the thing, and then it just says Dry Beauty on the front there. Simple, I like it. All right, I'm going to finish my makeup for the most part, and then we'll come back for the last two things in the box. Fourth thing in the box is the Natasha Denona Jubilee palette. This retails for $48, and we have gotten the Natasha Denona palette in the box before. It's my favorite because I don't have the other Natasha Denona palettes. It's the Peak 5 eyeshadow palette, so this stays like in my everyday drawer. I love it. This one is a bit, that's not gonna help you. This one's a bit different. Every day, not every day, except for maybe like these two colors here. It's like taupe and it's called Intense. Probably your everyday colors there. This, however, the yellow, this is a dark, dark blue. The green and the yellow are like very beautiful shimmer tones, and then the shade that looks black is actually a very dark blue. And you swatch it, swipe it, swatch it, try to say those words at the same time. When you swatch it, it's like a teal, like a dark teal, and then when you put it on, I think it just looks almost a little bit lighter. So we're gonna play with these three colors here, and we're gonna use the taupe, but we're probably not gonna use the pink. Maybe I do like a lower lash line thing, but I wanna play with the shimmer colors and the blue because why not? If I want to play with two normal boring colors, I would just go into this palette here. So I want to play. I'm not a makeup artist. Disclaimer, I'm not a makeup artist. I never wear bold eyeshadow. If I do, it's rare. We're probably gonna not be super happy with it, but we're gonna try it. I have an idea in my head. I've seen what like a couple other people who did a BOXYCHARM video have done, and I was like, they weren't actually even happy with it either. So I want to do something that maybe I'd be like, okay, but we'll see. So we're gonna use these three colors here plus the taupe. Let's go. All right, so I just used the concealer for a base. What did I do with the eyeshadow? All right, we're gonna take taupe all over the lid. I love the Natasha Denona shadow palette that I have. I would love to splurge and pick up another one. I'd like to pick up like a bigger one. I actually really like the compact like 5 shades because it's pretty much just all I need. They're so extremely soft and pigmented. And like, I don't have anything bad to say about the other palette that I have. So if you're feeling wild and you got some bucks to spare, do it. There are other great, affordable eyeshadow palettes. ColourPop is probably one of my favorites, and although they come out with quite a few palettes often. Like they are popping palettes out like rabbits. The quality is amazing, and they come in like I think it's like a 12. There's a bumblebee. They come in like 12 pan, like small, like almost penny size penny size pots. We're about to go on with the blue. Wait, let's do the yellow first. I'm gonna use my fingers for a lot. All right, we're gonna take the yellow. So I just took taupe and put it all over my eyes, which is very bronzery, so I think it looks really nice. We're gonna take this yellow and we're gonna do the yellow, the green, and the blue. We don't try and fade it all together like a professional, but it's probably not gonna be, so we're gonna do a little of this. And the other thing is I have like super small eyelids. I don't have a lot of surface area, you know what I'm saying, on my eyelids. So we gotta be super extra careful. And I got my nails done and they're super extra long and super extra in the way. Do I do each one as I go? I think I do the same to both eyes as I go so I don't lose track of what I'm doing. This goes on very pretty. It's almost like a green yellow like shift, like maybe a little bit of blue in there. And I think this would be beautiful over a lot of colors. Super pretty. Not surprised that this is like a stunning shimmery color. It's definitely got like a shift almost to it. So hopefully that helps brighten up our eyes a little. So I'm gonna take the green on the same finger with the yellow just because maybe it'll like help it blend, and we're gonna start kind of inner middle. I'm like squatting at this point, so I hope you like it. All right, same finger, other eye. I might need to take it up a little bit because like I said, my lid's not a low lid real estate going on. These color, I think it was Kathleen Lights, it was like, this is a 90s or an 80s dream color. All right, so I've got that faded. All right, now I'm gonna take a little stubbier brush and dip it into this. I'm gonna show you this beautiful, beautiful color that like I'm never gonna use. Probably be pretty like eyeliner, but isn't that just the prettiest like teal blue color? I think it's gorgeous. It's called Enigma. I'm nervous. All right, my plan is to just kind of pack this on a little. Oh, it's very mermaidy and I'm like totally fine with that. I'm gonna pack this on a little and then I'm gonna clean up the edges. Who am I doing this? Why am I not doing just the like taupe and pink color, huh? Who did I think I was? God, that is like such a pretty blue though. I'm actually really impressed with my idea. I don't know if I'm impressed the way I implemented it, but I'm impressed with my idea. Okay, I think the best thing to do right now is to take the brush we used with taupe and just kind of clean up this like upper part and just kind of blend here. I didn't put any taupe on it, but I'm gonna stop there. I'm actually not mad at it. What? Okay, we're gonna go over here. And I can never get these two to like be friends. But we're gonna try. Like, cause my eyes are shaped a little, differently. They're never besties, so. But that's what makes it fun, you know? I'm gonna take this kind of smaller, more pencil-y type brush. I'm gonna take taupe started my lower lash line here, just to kind of bring that blue down and mesh it. All right, so we're gonna take the tip with a little pencil brush in the blue, and I'm gonna bring it down under the lash line a little bit. Let me put on the rest of my eye makeup, eyeliner and mascara, and then we'll come back for the last thing in the box. All right, last thing in the box is Illuminati. The Illuminati Cosmetics Liquid Luxe Lip Gloss. Dare to wear alone or on top of another gorgeous lip color. This luxurious lip gloss adds a beautiful shimmer and shine to your lips and elevates your look day to night. $21. I guess let's just try it by itself because... So mine, I don't know if it's a color, Enlightenment. It looks kind of like a peachy sheen to it. I don't know if it's gonna focus or not, but that's what it looks like. Peachy pink. Oh, okay. Oh. I was not expecting that. Oh my God. Y'all, this is so bad. Honey. No. Like, I don't even think I would wear this on top of something. It feels nice, like if it was a different color, I think I would like it. But that shit like straight gold. I am blown away by this look right here, y'all. And I think my face is tanner than my body, so it's just even better. What it is. Let's do the math. Let's see what my box was this month. I like the oil, I like the body wash. That's probably it. This box is worth $148. I pay 25 bucks a month for the basic box. And they're not making it super hard for me lately to quit, to be completely honest, and just stick with my FabFitFun or find another subscription box that makes more sense for my lifestyle. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe before you leave. If you have questions about BOXYCHARM, please leave them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. If you have BOXYCHARM, I would love to know what you got in it. Did you get anything I got? Did you get this beautiful lip gloss here? Because thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're happy, I hope you're well, and I hope you're having a good one. I'll see you next time. Bye. I'm taking it off. I can't do it. I can't. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my contact just came out of my fucking eye? Fuck! What? We have some fun stuff in the palettes. Oops.